Welcome to the Barbecue Pro Shop Test Kitchen. I'm Pitmaster Shady D. This is Dylan Lipe. You know us probably better as Flavor Anonymous. And we're doing some crazy stuff with some Barbecue Pro Shop ingredients.
We got 3 great products. They're just gonna balance it out, bring out the best. You know, we're gonna hit it there with a little SPG from Fergolicious.
Yeah, so these are all about that salt, pepper, garlic, note. You want a lot of that in your burnt ends, in my opinion.
And that's the holy trinity of beef there, salt, pepper, garlic. That's the base flavors you want on there. That's why it's such a popular rub.
Yep, definitely works.
And we're just going real light on that, nothing too heavy. And I know you're looking at it thinking that's light, but you got to keep in mind that this is 1.5 inches thick and there's a lot of meat inside that.
There's a lot of fat in there too.
That isn't going to get any coating, so we got to make sure that outside bark has plenty of flavor for all that inside meat.
The other piece is we're top coating this with, everyone's using this stuff, B&O's, double garlic butter, white lightning. And I'll be honest with you, I found that it calms down a lot of the heat. Those butter solids or milk solids in there really kind of settle down what you top coat it with. So you can go pretty heavy here. And this stuff, man, I'm just gonna lick the cutting board when we're done. I mean, B&O nailed it with this one.
Yeah, and again, I don't know how you can go wrong on Wagyu beef with a little extra garlic and butter.
That's right. And it's mostly butter. It's great.
So we're gonna get that on there. The other thing that's great about this is the milk solids that they use and the butter solids they use on this help coloration and help bark formation. So it's a great either base or mid layer rub to use when you're flavoring stuff because it's gonna help you get that crust you're looking for. So now we've got the flavor on here. We've got our bark enhancers with that butter solids and milk solids, and we've got a little spice. We're gonna come back with a lot more color and a little bit of heat. So we're gonna hit it with the Killer Hogs Hot BBQ Rub. So I know sometimes people get confused because it's called Killer Hogs and things only good on hogs or pork or whatever, but it's actually good on a lot of things. And you can see the bright color we're gonna get there. And then that smoky heat they've got built in is gonna be fantastic against this smoky, rich, velvety Wagyu Charles eye that we got from Hassel Cattle Company.
All right, man. And again, this looks like a lot of rub. It is. I mean, burnt ends, frankly, to me, are best when they have that kind of crunch to them, and then you break through that top layer, and then it's that beautiful kind of soft, almost mushroomy texture.
Right, because what you should get is that immediate pop of flavor when you bite into one of these, and then it's mellowed and tempered immediately by that warm, rich fat that's rendered out, that's inside that meat, and then just the luscious notes that this Wagyu carries with it. So we're gonna throw it on our M1. We're gonna get that thing up to about 350 degrees and let it be happy for about 3.5, 4 hours.
Happy. Our Charles eye burnt ends. It's done. Beautiful, tender. The Wagyu, I mean, again, it's Hassel Cattle Wagyu. It's gorgeous.
Obviously, just to recap, we seasoned these with our SPG from Fergolicious. We seasoned it with some Boars Night Out, double garlic butter, and some Killer Hogs Hot right on top of it.
I'm gonna have a couple by themselves.
I'm gonna roll it around here in the spa. I gotta tell you,
very steaky.
There's nothing poor about these burnt ends.
No. Yeah, I can see, even though we really cooked it, but there's still good moisture. It's a good bite. I mean, they almost squeeze apart. Well, I don't know what else we can say about it. I mean, you saw what we did. Super simple. Taking 3 products that you normally may not add together, put them on a great cut of beef, and made something new and interesting with it.
Yeah, I'm very happy with the results, and I'm pretty sure you guys will be too.
All right. Well, if you got any more questions, send them to Barbecue Pro Shop. Ask them about these pairings, and until then, we'll see you next time.
Thanks for joining us at the test kitchen for Barbecue Pro Shop. We hope you enjoyed what we've shown you today.
We know you like the products. Check them out at barbecueproshop.com.